Hi, I will be testing my new macro setup. As you can see, it's just a kit lens with a reverse mount and some LEDs, power LEDs mounted on the outside. Right now the LEDs are set to 50 milliamps and drop 16.23 volts, which makes it consume 0.8 watts. So the heatsink is not needed, and I don't have a heatsink here. So I will be showing you this this chip. This is a amplifier in an old mobile phone, PF08112B. You can see some transistors here. This is really interesting. Actually, I could do even better macro with some rings, macro rings. You can see how shallow is the depth of field here. And those are some ICs. You could see some transistors. All this is about 10 millimeters. Yeah, some power transistors, some other SMD components. Yeah, another power transistor set pair. This is a transistor pair, I believe. It's wobbly a little, but it's my first take on it. I will try to use some macro rings, and we will see what can we achieve. Well, I believe my setup is way too wobbly for that, but now you can see with two additional rings, the magnification is even bigger. Let me try to focus. Yeah, you can see how shallow is the depth of field here. You can try to move it a little. Yeah. Well, this is just an experiment. Yeah, this is some IC. Maybe let's see a crystal resonator. No, it's not a crystal resonator. This is some SMD coil. I'm trying to. I'm at the limit of focusing right now. Yeah, one moment. Yeah, so this is a crystal resonator. You can see individual dots on the marking. Let's see this coil once again. Where is the coil? It's here. Yeah, you can see individual wires. It's beautiful, isn't it? I'm using a precise mount to control the focus. But I'm doing it by hand. You can see how shallow it is. Oh, this looks like lead-free ROHs solder. What do we have here? What else? This looks like a city. This is some, I don't know, something. Some other components. Is there anything interesting here? What is this? Some kind of diode, and yeah, you can see the ROHs in action. EPCOS 4127 S5M7, and you can see it with very cheap setup. It's really extremely cheap, right? So it's quite cool, and I think you can expect some more macro shots on my channel. when I have something to actually show. So let's take a look at this. This power amplifier once again. It's a hybrid module. Beautiful, isn't it? It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's go even more extreme. Now we have a reverse mount ring and three rings between the lens and the camera. Maybe I will increase the light a little bit. It's now 100 milliamps, 16.81 volts, 1.6 watts. I hope I don't burn those LEDs. Look at those tiny wires. This is so beautiful, actually. Yeah. This is beautiful. Well, this is some interesting hybrid module as well. Let me just find it here. It's not so easy. Where is it? I'm recording everything because I want to show you what I see here. Oh, this is damaged. I damaged it when opening it. Some transistor or some diode. Don't know. Not much in this module. Okay, well, that's it, I think, or maybe not yet. Just for the comparison, this is the 1N4148 diode. I don't think I will be able to see anything without breaking it, so you know what, let's break it. Let me just see it out. Oh, there's something here interesting. Let's break it and see what's inside. Maybe we'll see something. Well, I'm actually disappointed. This is one electrode of the diode. I don't know if it's the anode or the cathode. I don't see anything here really. But let me show you a second electrode. This is a second electrode of the diode. Let me just find it here. It's not so easy. I will cut it, I think. Oh no, I won't cut it. Nothing interesting. I don't know if it's silicon or what. Well, it's a silicon diode, so it has to be a silicon. But no, oh, maybe this tiny little structure is the diode, you know? Yeah, that would be interesting. It would be really interesting, but I think my macro capabilities end at this point, so I don't think I will be able to zoom it even better. But maybe I will think about something. Okay, well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.